Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome to another Rosacea Diaries. It's been a while since we have sat down together and done a Rosacea Diaries in the bathroom. I'm not sure how echoey it's going to be in here, so I might not be able to film in here next time. So if it is echoey, which it's sounding like it might be, bear with me. I'm still learning my new house. This is my new bathroom, so you'll no longer see the old background because I don't live there anymore. So here's what my face looks like right now. You can see I've got, some redness still here from my rosacea, and I've got a lot of like spots where I've had a pretty good flare up on my chin. Moving to the south has kind of made my face go a little crazy. So I had a lot of breakouts and I'm trying to figure out, I've been using the ordinary products, but I'm trying to figure out what I need to use here in combination with it being more moist and things. So I'm still trying to figure out that. I figured it's been a while since we've kind of updated and I have a new topic to talk about today. So when I got my major sickness, flu, sinus infection, whatever, my sister, she suggested to try doing apple cider vinegar shots. And I actually had heard about doing apple cider vinegar for rosacea like on the face when my rosacea was really, really bad, like maybe, when I was pregnant with my 7-year-old, I used that because it was natural and it kind of stung a little and it was just so stinky, like it smelled so horrible that I couldn't do it anymore. I only did it when it was like super bad. But I kind of heard of people ingesting it, but I was like, there's no way I can drink that. And so I just kind of like put it out of my mind. Well, my sister brought it up to me because she's like, oh, it helps with your immunity and it helps you when you have colds. And she was talking about it from a medical standpoint. Now, mind you, I'm not a doctor. I am not a medical expert. I am not a skincare expert. And some people might say I have no business talking about this since I have been told that before. I don't have any business talking about rosacea because I'm not an expert on skincare. But you know what? I have skin and I take care of it the best I can, and I have rosacea, so I feel like I can talk about it, but you have to realize that this is coming from someone who is not any kind of expert's point of view. So if you have any questions on your medical advice, talk to your dermatologist, talk to your doctor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. You don't have to do it. Okay. My sister, who is also not a doctor, but she's very into like natural health and wellness, was suggesting that I try it. So I was like, oh yeah, well, I'll try anything if it helps me get rid of this stupid sickness because it was just horrible. So I started looking up the benefits of apple cider vinegar, and it's like specific to organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, which makes a difference. And a very popular brand is the Bragg's, which looks like this. You guys might have seen it. It's like $5 or $6, $7 maybe at your local grocery store. And so I'm going to read to you guys some of the benefits it says that apple cider vinegar has, and we'll talk about how it relates to my face. So first, it helps with like candida and intestinal bacteria, which is another good reason why if you're sick or on an antibiotic, it can help because girls, great for detoxification. It supposedly helps reduce cholesterol, helps with losing weight, improves digestion, strengthens your immune system, which was what I was thinking. Helps relieve muscle soreness. It can treat your skin after shaving, deodorize your feet. That's a new one. Helps control blood sugar and aid in diabetes, boosts energy, balances your entire inner body system, and helps clear stuffy nose. Again, what I was needing. It regulates the pH of your skin, now we're getting somewhere, and can help make your hair shine and helps with tummy troubles. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm someone that when something claims to do everything, like literally everything in the world, I'm like, really? You're gonna do all those things? So I decided to start taking these little shots. So what I would do is like 10 or 15 minutes before I ate to help in aiding in my digestion as well, I would fill up a glass of water, and then it's suggested to take like 2 teaspoons. Actually, I just kind of bloop it in there, but you're supposed to take like 2 teaspoons. And then what I did is I just fresh squeezed lemon. My sister uses lemon powder, but really, if you put a little lemon in there, it just tastes lemony. It dilutes it down really well. And honestly, I didn't, like if I don't sniff it, I didn't really notice it being really bad tasting. So for about, I'd say a week, I have been doing that once a day. And it did I mean, I did get better. I don't know if it's because of that or probably because of the antibiotics, but you know what I'm saying? Like, it did help, it felt like, with some of my symptoms. So I was thinking, I want to know more about what it does for the pH of your skin. So I started Googling. You know, not everything you read on the internet or see on the internet is true. So it's kind of like one of those things. If you see something and it seems to be questionable, then the best thing to do is just try it out for yourself. I found a website that said, it talks about what rosacea is, which we've kind of gone over. You get the redness here. Some people get the thickening of their nose. There's different types of rosacea. You can get ocular rosacea. You can get pustules, little acne bits, which is what I get. And I have another video about that, so I will link it up here somewhere. So you guys, if you're interested in like what exactly classifies as rosacea, you guys can check out that video. It says that apple cider vinegar contains a form of natural acetic acid, which is known to help reduce the swelling associated with the condition, balancing our skin's delicate pH levels at the same time. Apple cider vinegar is also packed with trace minerals, vitamins, and enzymes that help set it apart from other commercial vinegars. So it said the first treatment, which we're going to talk about today, is oral. And so they just suggested on how to take it, like you can put honey in it, you can put this or that, you know. So basically what I've been reading is that a lot of times, like, reactions on your face and acne or rosacea flare-ups can be they can kind of be related to what's going on inside our bodies, which sounds kind of, you know, crazy, but at the same time makes sense. Like when the healthy bacteria in our bodies are kind of out of whack, it can make our face out of whack too, which if this helps with that, it can help with the face. And I'm like, I'm listening. Essentially, it's supposed to help reduce swelling, make some of the redness go away, and eventually get rid of the pustules or acne and stuff. But they did have a precaution saying that it smells horrible, which it does. It says it smells like old smelly socks. I would say that's pretty accurate. And that's another reason why I didn't really want to apply it to my face, because I feel like I could smell it more, where if I'm drinking it, I don't notice it as much. But this says that if you have acne rosacea, sometimes it makes your skin purge and your symptoms can get worse before they get better. So I don't know if that's exactly where I'm at right now, because I have been fighting a little bit of acne. And so I've just, you know, it's been like a week, maybe a week and a half. So then I was like, okay, well, has anyone seen results from this? So I went to a website called rosaceagroup.org. Okay, so someone said, drinking apple cider vinegar made a big change for me. I have to say that drinking Bragg's apple cider vinegar before sleeping has had the single greatest impact on my rosacea and health. Also, not eating an hour or two before bed helps. I think it makes it in hospital environment through pH change for the skin's microflora. I think the gut-skin connection is more direct and immediate than most people think. This person said that they also feel like it's helped, and it's also helped with their cystic acne. One thing it does also mention is that if you're going to consume it, that it's very acidic. So make sure that you just brush your teeth afterwards. So I thought, you know, I've done so many different things, some of them great, some of them not so great, to try to help my rosacea. Someone did mention getting a laser treatment, and I've never had that, and I would be very interested in trying that. It's just a matter of like saving the money to do so. So if I was able to save enough money to get a laser treatment, I definitely would do that. And I would, of course, tell you guys about it. But for now, $7, $800, $7, $800, you know, that's where I'm going. So I figured, why not try it? So this is where my skin is. And you guys can see, I mean, I do have redness, but it's not like, it's like bright screaming red like sometimes it is. So I'm just going to, you know, diary style, I will give you guys an update and I'll let you guys know how it's going. Maybe give me a couple more weeks and I'll let you know what the update is. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.